In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Miro, a collaborative online whiteboard platform. If you've switched email accounts or simply prefer to use a different address, updating it in Miro is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a seamless transition. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to miro.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login option prominently on the home page. Click on it. This will take you to the sign in page, which offers multiple ways to access your Miro account. You can log in either using your email or through a linked Google account. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume you're using your email, so go ahead and click on Continue with Email to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where your account settings are located, indicated by either your account initials or profile picture. Click on your account icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you should select Profile. This section is essential as it houses all your personal details linked to Miro, including your email address. Once in the profile settings, scroll down until you find the email section. This is where your current email address is displayed. Adjacent to it, you'll notice a Change button. Clicking on this will allow you to update your email address. Miro will prompt you to enter your new email address at this stage. Make sure you type it in carefully to avoid any errors. After entering your new email, you will need to confirm your identity by entering your current Miro account password. This extra step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring that only you or someone who has your password can make such significant changes to your account. Once your password is verified, proceed by clicking on Update Email. This will save your new email address in Miro's system. And that's it, you've successfully updated your email address in Miro. By doing so, all future communications from Miro will be sent to this new address, and you can continue collaborating seamlessly. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date not only ensures you receive important notifications, but also helps maintain the security of your account. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you run into any trouble or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out for more assistance. Until next time, happy collaborating on Miro.